Hello again, this is Mr. Breton. Today is Thursday, and we're going to continue our third day reading about weather out of the book called Weather. So I want to first read you kind of a follow-up to yesterday, which was forecasting the weather. Now it's going to kind of get in a little deeper and talk about making a forecast. Even forecasting one of the country's weathers involves gathering thousands of measurements from land, air, sea, and space. Meteorologists use these measurements to build a complete picture of the present weather. They pay special attention to changes in pressure, as these provide information on the huge air movements which control our weather. From present condition, forecasters work out likely weather changes in different parts of the country after time steps of 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and so on. Supercomputers provide details of the weather as numbers. Meteorologists use these numbers to make weather charts. Meteorologists use these numbers to make the weather charts. These are maps with lines, arrows, and other symbols showing air pressure, temperatures, wind, clouds, sun, fog, and rain, sleet, or snow. Weather can be forecast correctly by computers several days ahead. Beyond that, even small errors in information they are given may result in the forecast being totally wrong. So you have the satellites right here getting all the data. And this looks like either an earthquake came through or maybe a tornado came through and damaged the house. Putting weather to work. Sunshine brings us more energy in a week than lies locked up in all the Earth's oil, gas, coal, and uranium. Engineers can use this solar energy from the sun, to heat and light homes, offices, and factories. In the sunnier countries, solar panels on roofs of houses are often used for heating water. Similarly, big solar power plants use mirrors that reflect the sun's rays into water tanks and pipes. As the water boils, it produces steam that spins turbine blades to generate electric current. Years from now, sunshine reflected by the huge mirrors in space may light whole cities at night. On windy hills and coasts, engineers sometimes build windmills that use power of the wind to make electricity. As yet, solar energy and wind power meet only a small part of our needs. But they are bound to become more common as we use fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas that we cannot replace. Many people believe that nuclear power is too dangerous, so the search for new and safer energy sources continue. So here you can see the picture. These are solar panels. For people that live in a house, they usually put them on the roof. And these are windmills that store power. There's a lot of these in the North Texas and the latter area, or the northwest part of Texas. The next section is changing the weather. People not only put weather to work, they also change it, sometimes for the better and sometimes for the worse. In sunny cities such as Los Angeles, fumes from trucks and car exhaust produce dirty, brownish fog or smog. In industrial cities, smoke and gas from factories' chimneys cause choking yellow smog, like the kind that killed 2,800 Londoners in 1952. These fumes and gases make rain turn into acid as vinegar. In Canada and many parts of Europe, acid rain has killed whole forests and thousands of freshwater fish. To protect their crops, farmers taper the weather within the weather. On cold spring nights, fruit growers spray the orange groves with a mist of water droplets. The misty air traps heat, so the orange blossom isn't killed by the frost. After weeks without rain, cloud seeding can save drought-stricken crops and cattle. Planes seed clouds by spraying them with crystals in a hope the moisture will stick to the crystals and fall as rain. However, rain does not always work. Rainmaking doesn't always work. Our actions do not only affect day-to-day weather, they can even alter climate, the general weather pattern of a region over a period of time. So I hope you enjoyed today's reading weather. We'll have one more section tomorrow for the finish out the week on Friday. You all have a great day.